So good morning, my little friends. How are you? This first day of online instruction. I know Miss Havens gave you a completely different assignment than what she had given you the last couple weeks. So I printed off the worksheet. You can show them the worksheet. And I'm going to go ahead and show you how to do each one. We'll do it together. So the first one, the directions are simplify each expression using the distributive and commutative properties. Show all work. So I wrote number 1 over here. So number 1 is going to be using the commutative property only. And what you're going to do is you have to combine like terms, essentially. So 12R plus 11R is 23R. Okay? Because remember, when you're combining, you take the sign with you. Then we have a positive 5S, plus 9S. So that would be a positive 14S. There are no other t, so 7t and then minus 4. And that's your commutative property. Did it again. Hold on. I don't know if she wants you to write. What property it is, but I did for you. Okay? So that's your answer for number 1. Let's jump over to number 2. Number 2 is just the distributive property. So when we talk about the distributive property, we are distributing. We're distributing, meaning we're multiplying this negative 4 times 5a, and then we're going to multiply this negative 4 times 3b. So this one is distributive only. And I'll show you. So 4 times negative 5a is negative 20a plus 4 times 3b. Now, this is a negative. So because it's negative minus times a positive, this is also going to be negative 12b. And that's it. That's your answer. So negative 4 times 5a plus negative 4 times 3b, excuse me, is negative 20a minus 12b. Okay? Now, from here on out, we're going to be doing both properties in each problem, except for number 10. Number 10 is just the distributive property, but we'll talk about it when we get there. All right? So these are going to be both distributive and
I have 2 exams at the end of this week. So that could be fun.
that was Zachary talking on the video, complaining about his college work. That's okay. All right, so let's work on number 3. Number 3, we have 5 parentheses 7 plus 3n plus 12. All right, this is where it gets tricky, and this is why I said to you it's both distributive and commutative, okay? So first we do the distributive. 5 times 7 plus 5 times 3n Oops. Okay. Plus 12. 5 times 7 is 35. Plus 5 times 3n, which is 15n, plus 12. Now, if you notice, 35 is by itself with no letter variable, and 12 is also by itself with no letter variable. So we have to add these two together because this is a positive 12. So we're going to add 35 plus 12, which is 47 plus 15n. And that's your answer. So here we did distributive, and then here we did the commutative. Okay? All right. So let's take a look at number 4. Same thing. 3 parentheses m minus 5 plus 10. First, distributive property, right? 3 times m minus 3 times 5 plus 10. 3 times m is 3m. Negative 3 times 5 is negative 15 plus 10. And here we go again. We have to combine these. So 3m minus 5, because negative 15 plus 10 is negative 5. You can use your calculators to figure that out. Check me. All right? Okay, I'm going to give you a few minutes to do a few of these. Do 5 through 8 by yourself. And then I will come back in a few minutes and we'll figure out how you did. Okay? All right, good luck.